TradeView TraderPro. How to customize the toolbars. Software tutorial.
The toolbar can be customized in many windows, such as the chart, quote board, positions, orders, and depth of market window. This video tutorial will demonstrate using the quote board. The same steps will be used for other windows. To customize the toolbar, click on the far right edge of the toolbar and go to Add or Remove buttons. Then click Standard. To add to the toolbar, left-click on items in the menu. A shaded icon or check mark indicates the item appears on the toolbar. To remove an item, left-click on the item. The icon will no longer be shaded, or the check mark will be removed. For windows where the toolbar is on the left or right side, click on the bottom edge to expand the toolbar. For advanced customization options, go to Add or Remove buttons, then Customize. Under the Toolbar option, you create a new toolbar from scratch by selecting the New Toolbar option. To add an item, drag items from the categories or command list and drop to the toolbar. To remove an item, drag from the toolbar and drop back to the Customize window. If you wish to display just the icon, choose Image under Appearance. Then drag and drop. To display just text, choose the option Text. Then drag and drop. If you want to see both, if available, choose Image and Text. If you want to apply the customization to all instances of related windows, click Save to All. Then click Yes to the prompt. You will see for each quote board tab, the change has been made. If you want to revert back to original settings, click Restore Default. Customize right-click menus. The right-click menu can be customized in many windows. Again, this video tutorial will demonstrate using the quote board. The same steps will be used for other windows. Right-click on the title bar of the window and go to Configure. To add items to the right-click menu, drag from the categories or commands list and drop to Context menu just below the title bar. Close the window and right-click to review your new right-click menu. To remove items, right-click on the title bar and go to Configure. Click on Context menu and drop to the Customize window. To apply the setting to all similar windows, click Save to All and click Yes in the confirmation window.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.